Have you just picked up the new AirPods Pro 3? Let's see exactly how to connect and completely set up this baby for the first time with any iPhone, including this iPhone Air. So to connect it, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Now gently open the AirPods lid. It'll start blinking white LED. That means it's on pairing mode. And you'll immediately get a connection pop-up on your iPhone. If it doesn't, you can tap twice over the LED and manually take it into pairing mode. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and find the AirPods Pro 3's name in there, just in case if the pop-up never came. However, if you did get the pop-up, just press continue. There will be a personalized volume prompt adjusting your AirPods volume according to the ambience. If you want, you can turn it on. You can enable conversation awareness, so it'll lower the volume when you're speaking to someone while wearing the AirPods. You can also enable head gesture from here, and it'll show you that there is a brand new feature called heart rate tracking. Press continue, and there it is, the live translation, which is a popular new feature. You can set it up from here if you want. Select which language from and to that you need to translate at all times while you wear your AirPods Pro 3, and then just hit continue. Another prompt of auto-reducing the loud sound from your ambience will be here. Just take a look and hit continue. You might get an Apple Music prompt. Just select the plan or skip it, whatever you want. And that's it. Your new AirPods Pro 3 is now connected to your iPhone. You might need to swipe down the kernel panel, and from here, make sure to switch the sound output to your AirPods since the in-ear detection is turned on. So, you know what? To change that one and take a look at a few settings, you can go to settings. From there, either to your AirPods own settings or from Bluetooth to your AirPods name's info icon. And from here, you can see and explore a lot of different brand new settings and customize them according to your own choice. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.